Hi guys, I hope you all are well. This is our episode 1, Why Your Job Isn't Safe, but Your Skills Can Be, of the first season. Welcome to AI and the Future of Work, the podcast where we explore how AI is transforming everything about the way we work, learn, and earn. Whether you're a student trying to future-proof your career, a freelancer looking to stay relevant, or a business owner chasing growth, this show is for you. I'm your friend from MaverixRealm, and every week, I'll bring you short, powerful insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's get into it. Here's a truth bomb. AI won't steal your job, but someone using AI will. Think about this. In 2024 alone, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT exploded. Coders, designers, writers, marketers, they're all seeing parts of their job automated. But instead of panicking, smart people are pivoting. So the big question for 2025 is, how do you stay relevant? 1. The AI shift is already happening. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Big brands are replacing customer support with AI agents. Freelancers using AI can deliver work 3 times faster. Students are using tools like Notion AI and ChatGPT to study smarter, not harder. 2. Tools that are changing the game: ChatGPT plus Claude for writing, summarizing, and idea generation. Midjourney plus DALL-E for design and visual content. Descript for podcast and video editing. Tome.app and Slides AI for fast presentations. Tip: you don't have to master all of them. Just pick one tool that saves you 1 hour per day, and you're already more productive than 90% of people. 3. Future-proof skills that matter: critical thinking. AI gives info, you ask better questions. Prompt engineering, getting the best results from AI. Personal branding, the one thing AI can't replicate. You. Digital literacy, knowing how to use tools strategically. The future of work isn't about competing against AI. It's about working with it. The sooner you start learning how to use these tools, the faster you'll grow. In the next episode, I'll break down how freelancers are using AI to 5x their income, and how you can too, even if you've never used AI before. If you found this useful, don't forget to follow the podcast and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build the future, one skill at a time. Want a free cheat sheet of the top 10 AI tools for students, freelancers, and creators? Head to yourwebsite.com and grab it, completely free.